I'm here with Jed Seifert, co-founder of Steaks Manufacturing. We were talking a little bit about these really cool ROQ fold and pack machines behind us, as well as getting an inside look at Steaks Manufacturing facility today. So I wanted to start out and kind of ask you a little bit about the business, what you guys do here, and how automation has really impacted your business in direct-to-consumer fulfillment.
We service the biggest names in sports and entertainment, printing product and shipping it direct to the end consumer through our white label solution. Our facility pumps out tens of thousands of units a day, so the more automation that we can put in place, the more pressure it takes off of our human resources team to hire, and the more efficient we can be as a business.
So let's talk ROQ and Fold. What brought you guys to the ROQ brand? What was appealing about the solution that we had to offer, and what kind of took you in that direction with so many other fold and pack solutions on the market? What really set us apart?
We are a business that is really heavy during Q4, so we have to staff up, and the more people we have to staff up, the more difficult it is as a business, right? There's more training, more hiring, the whole nine. So the more we can automate, the more pressure it takes off to do that. We met you guys a couple years ago at ISS. It was very apparent out the gate that you guys were going to be great partners, and you really instantly dove in to say, hey, let us do some R&D, let us take this machine and turn it from a folder bagger into a folder bagger shipper. So we could bring a shirt over, put it down on the machine. By the time it comes off, it's in a bag, ready to go out to the shipping carrier.
For people that are worried about automating or scared to automate it out there, what's the number one piece of advice you can give people based on your experience of building this business?
Gone are the days where we want somebody manually folding every shirt that we have, right? You know, and while printing for DTG is an incredibly difficult business in itself, it's actually the fulfillment that is the bigger challenge when you hit your highest peaks.
Everyone stay tuned. We're actually going to take a cool factory tour, see a little bit more of what Steaks is up to, see more of their operation, and continue this conversation.
Looking forward to showing you guys around.
Awesome. Thanks, Jed.
Cool.